Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix iPhone continuity camera not working. Lately, I have been running into a frustrating issue with my iPhone's continuity camera. And I try to use it in FaceTime on my Mac. My iPhone screen just goes black, showing only two options, pause and disconnect, neither of which actually do anything. Then after about 10 seconds, the connection drops and my iPhone kicks me back to the home screen. In this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this issue, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is reset network settings. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option. Next, scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer or reset iPhone. Next, choose reset and then choose reset network settings. It will ask you to enter your iPhone passcode. So enter your iPhone's passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to reset network settings and you are done. And the next step is disable VPN. If you have a VPN enabled on your iPhone or Mac, it could be interfering with continuity camera. Some VPNs can disrupt local network connection, preventing your device from communicating properly. To turn off VPN, go to settings and then select a VPN. Then tap on its status toggle button to disable it and you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone and Mac to the latest version. Running outdated software can cause compatibility issues with continuity camera. Make sure both iPhone and Mac are updated to the latest version of iOS and macOS to ensure everything works as expected. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option. Then choose software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on download and install the latest version of iOS and you are done. And the next step is delete VPN profiles on your iPhone. Even if your VPN is turned off, its configuration profile might still interfere with continuity camera. Removing the VPN profile completely can help resolve lingering connectivity issues. To delete a VPN, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option. Next, scroll down to the bottom and choose VPN and device management and then choose VPN. Next, select a VPN profile you want to remove and then tap on delete VPN. It will ask you to delete VPN. Tap on delete again to confirm and restart your device. Once your device restart, try using continuity camera again to see if the issue is fixed. I hope this video will help you to fix iPhone continuity camera not working properly. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.